Over a period of many years, ABB's PMA cable protection products have proven their dependability in railway construction projects around the world. The new PMA multilayer technology sets standards for highest product characteristics in rail applications. The multilayer technology allows combination of materials for optimal product characteristics in rail applications. An innovative multi-layer manufacturing technology creates a corrugated conduit with 2 layers of material. This multi-layer solution provides additional protection and safety thanks to the combination of 2 specially modified polyamides with different material characteristics. The new material combination improves significantly the overall performance of the conduits. The XPCSF multi-layer conduit with orange inner layer is suitable for use in all external rail rolling stock applications. For intercarriage jumper cables, for installations on the roof, and for applications on the undercarriage and bogies. It achieves a HL3 fire behavior classification according to requirement set R23 of EN 45545-2, allowing use on all train design and operating categories. The XPCS multi-layer conduit with green inner layer is suitable for use in all external rail rolling stock applications. For intercarriage jumper cables, for installations on the roof, and for applications on the undercarriage and bogies. It achieves a HL2 fire behavior classification according to requirement set R22 and R23 of EN 45545-2, allowing use on most train design and operating categories. It also complies with the requirements of NFPA 130. The multi-layer conduits are highly abrasion resistant. However, if high levels of abrasion do cause wear, the multi-layer conduit provides a wear indicator. 2 different colored, specially formulated polyamide layers indicate the extent of the wear which has occurred. This gives you the possibility to plan for upcoming maintenance already by first indication of abrasion. Together with ABB's well-known and proven PMA product range, the XPCSF and XPCS conduits with new state-of-the-art multi-layer technology offer a comprehensive and sustainable end-to-end cable protection solution for the rail industry. The key benefits of our multi-layer technology: excellent dynamic characteristics, improved fire safety with EN 45545-2 HL3 classification, outstanding aging characteristics, the new PMA cable protection technology, improved performance and safety with multi-layer solutions for the rail industry.